In front of me is Vivo Y95, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services to scroll again and tap on Autofill. So sorry, misclick. Autofill with Google here. Choose Passwords and click on any password you wish to change. Enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and make your changes. When you finish, just click on Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!